What up, Nick? Hello, hello. Thanks for the sub, Eric. What up, Long? What up, Hayden? Carlos? Yo, yo. 29449. Yeah, okay. What up, Pips? Ali? Dude.
Good evening, lads. How are we doing today?
Yo, yo.
Happy St. Paddy's Day to everyone.
Today's St. Patty's Day?
Yeah, Paul, dude. Just because the bars are closed doesn't mean the freaking holiday closes, man.
A holiday? Come on. Don't even start.
Oh, it's been a holiday for you,
If
man.
that's a holiday, then Friday and Saturday's a holiday for everyone too, because that's...
You have a holiday whenever you want a holiday. I'm just saying today's a holiday.
Yeah. Sure, getting drunk is a holiday, I guess. Let's not discuss that before I get heated. I scalp. I'm not not a good swing trader. So Mike, did you look at MT4's 4 hour and then TradingView's 4 hour?
Wait, what'd you say?
Look at your MT4 previous 4 hour, then look at your TradingView previous 4 hour, and tell me how you feel about that.
All right, hold on. I just pulled up my charts. Let me see.
It's not. I don't know that I wouldn't say it's easier. I feel like they're both difficult in some aspect, but it just depends on your personality, I guess. And less, I would say less screen time for sure. At least for me, if I were swing trading, I'd be checking my phone or my chart or computer every 5 to 10 minutes. Yep. See you later, Grant.
What do you not like about the GJs? Is there something different with it, or?
Yeah, you don't see the 4 hours?
Oh yeah. Oh, the body of that candle it's already passing the body, but on TradingView it's not even close to it.
Well, MT4's previous 4 hours bearish. TradingView's bullish.
Mine's just like, well, yeah, I guess it would be bear. It's just like a straight doji. It doesn't even.
Mm-hmm.
I'm talking that like on 4 hour on TradingView, it's not even close to passing the previous 4 hour wick,
Mm-hmm.
but MetaTrader is already passing it right now.
Yep. Yeah, I see that.
That's a big issue.
Yeah, I got it marked up on MT4 for sells, so I'll just kind of have it make sense. So like right here on MT4 is already below the previous 4 hour. So maybe even if it does something right in here, and it forms something like.
My spread was only a pip and a half a minute ago, right when I looked too. Now it's back up to 4.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have a good spread again tonight. Yeah, I'm thinking if we can get a close below here, get a retest one that closes like weak bullish and then a new low, it'll take us down to here and then we'll break and continue.
Yeah, the only thing that I don't like though is that the previous 4 hour is doji, and then if you revert to the previous hour before that, that's bullish and it broke the high.
I think it just gapped. It just gapped above it.
Hey, Paul, can you go to your 4 hour real quick? Dude, that is so weird. That looks completely different than mine.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go off of MT4, and then I'll just try to mark it on here somewhere.
That's so annoying, dude.
I have a feeling the hourly's gonna try to do something in this area. So the 15, try to find it. So maybe some sort of retest in there. Check out the 30. Yeah, so we'll mark that on the 30 just. Because once the hourly closes, that's going to be, it's going to come down. It went up, it's coming down, it should come back up. And then once it holds here, it'll break here. But if it holds in below here, it'll come down to here. Matt, we started about 5 minutes ago, but we're not going to do anything for another 20 minutes. Where the spreads come down. Hopefully. Gotcha. No worries, Doug. Thanks for coming.
Bro, I'm so hyped for them damn Magic keys to come in, dude. He shows. Did you get a confirmation on your shipping today?
Let me check.
Yeah, I got an email saying it's being sent with Canadian Post, but now I'm nervous because Amazon just shut down all their shipping.
I saw that.
So I'm like, damn, dude. I wonder if because anytime that I get stuff from Canadian Post, usually they give it to either USPS or Amazon or like FedEx or somebody that already delivers on a daily basis. So I'm kind of curious to see how it's gonna come. I'm not too worried either way, but it's just we'll have to wait and see.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about too.
How long ago did you buy yours?
2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
But it was
I got lucky, dude, because I just texted him and I was like, yo, I said, you still have them? And he's like, yeah, I'm shipping them all out tomorrow. I was like, all right, I'm going to get on and get them. He's like, all right, cool. The only thing that's kind of making me nervous here is that it kind of perfectly came down on a 4 hour, like halfway, to continue going back up and make that bottom wick.
Yeah, I mean, buys would be nice because then it makes sense on TradingView as well as MT4. But I'm prepared for both.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't have that top zone marked, but if it closes above there in this next 3 minutes, I'm gonna mark it again. But I'm thinking right now that middle zone, it's retesting that hourly area it broke. So this is gonna be kind of an important close.
Yeah, and it is kind of annoying because MetaTrader, it closed, well, it didn't close, but it actually wicked below the 4 hour, but TradingView is not even closed. So it's kind of like,
Yep.
here right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, this hourly close will be huge. Because then at that point, I think if this hourly closes bullish or at least above the previous bullish, I think then this is just that bottom. That was a rejection, wipe some stop losses out since it hasn't opened yet. And then it'll continue going back up, and which will make sense on TradingView.
Yep, I'd like buys because we got a nice wick to go fill. And then we got some nice clean traffic right here we can take. But the wick fill is not even till up to here. And this is still like 20, 30 pips, so we can get a nice trade out of that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. It's clean as hell.
But yeah, see this 30-minute close below here. This one came down into here. Oh, this one came down into here. So if this level is going to hold, we're going to break through here. But if this level is going to hold over, or like if this level doesn't hold, then this level and this level will hold, and we'll go up to this level. But it's looking like it's trying to close below. Got a little mini zone up there just to have a visual.
The GOAT, Tom Brady's done. He put his statement out today. He's done with the Patriots.
Really?
After 20 years. Long time.
Damn.
You don't see that all really in football. Usually these guys are done after, 10 years if they're lucky anymore.
He got several good years left in him.
Yeah, he does, but he doesn't need the money. He's already had a lot of fame, and I think he just wants to chill.
Yeah. I heard he was trying to start like a production company.
Oh yeah, he's gonna get together with everybody. I bet you next year we're already gonna see him like as an announcer or at least on a sports show or podcast or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then like you said, his own company too. That's going to add to whatever he's doing. Oh wow, big fish.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I just looked back and I'm like, oh crap, that's over 20 pips.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be sells. It's heading down to that bottom zone. So this is probably going to be a big hourly close, and then the hourly is going to probably make a big top wick, either into this area or this area. So that's where I'm thinking we're going to end up looking for that entry. I'll make this smaller just because, just because this technically already broke the 4-hour previous low. So
I just really want this to close below on a, or not even close below, just get below on a 4-hour on TradingView as well. And then, like you said, once it comes back up, then we've got double confirmation on MetaTrader and TradingView.
yeah, I think sells are going to be it for the
Yeah,
night.
it'll just look a little bit cleaner because we've got that clean wick on the bottom, which I think you're right. It's going to come down to fill. I mean, both sides are good. Like you said, we got a wick to the top and a wick to the bottom on the 4-hour.
Yep.
Somebody just caught 76 pips on GJ.
Damn.
That must have been a big ass spread to take.
Damn, Hayden, nice job. Jesus, yeah. Yeah, that's too early for me. Not with a 5 spread, But that was a nice win if you got it. Keep forgetting I gotta send Raquel's group the link. There's so much to do when I start the live stream. It was 3 when you entered. Yeah, but if you're so the spread when you enter the trade, you're not locked in at the spread that you enter on. You go with the spread of whatever it is. So if you enter here and your spread is 2, but then price comes down to here and it goes to 7, your spread goes to 7. It's not stuck at 3. What's up, Yvonne? I'm just hoping the coronavirus doesn't stop. I'm hoping it'll encourage people to sign up and join the group because they're going to be home versus them not wanting to join because they're not working.
No, I think it would actually work for you.
Because they have extra time to study.
Well, yeah, extra time to study. People are at home, and given the fact that it's Forex, bro, it's not like stocks where stocks are going down like crazy, but Forex, you can trade both ways, and I think that's what you can promote as well.
Yeah.
And there's never been a better time to get involved in Forex and at least start learning.
Yeah. What up, Frankie? Yeah, GJ's gonna be good for sales. I think we just gotta wait. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna watch the hourly just to see. This is probably a massive candle. Yeah. So hourly could come up to here or here, and that's I think where we're gonna see our new low formed after it makes the wick. I'm not gonna get stuck like we did yesterday in the first trade.
Yesterday was a piss.
We would have caught what 50 or 70 pips on EJ.
literally went up right after the 15-minute close.
Straight to the like super target we had too.
Yeah, it
stupid.
just do a little dance and then it went
One
up.
guy that we know.
Pardon me?
What?
What's wrong with that girl? She got a tattoo that says "damn." She done lost. Yeah, honestly, she done lost.
That's super
How are
cool,
you,
but
boys?
take your mic, please.
I'm looking at USD CAD too.
Man, I
looking
had
for-
such a bad trading day yesterday.
I think we all did.
I managed to catch Euro US short, massive.
He just did his little dance, man, at the beginning of the hour. Because the trade, I was in EJ. When I looked at it after, a couple hours after, literally
in trade.
literally the 50 candle that I got wicked out,
Policy.
like closed out in, it went all the way up right after. It wicked down, a little further than I thought, and it shot right back up.
As Paul said though, we take that trade 9 out of 10 times. It was just wasn't with us.
Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Yvonne.
Hold up. For USD CAD, I'm looking for sales right now, just because it's clean.
On USD CAD.
Yeah. Hoping it creates a lower high right here. Maybe print out a doji 30-minute.
7-minute candle closure.
Are you guys in DJ sales yet? Or are you waiting?
I'm waiting.
Waiting here.
Waiting for the spread to go down.
I almost wanted to break and then retest, and then I want to enter. Break at like 129.42.
Are you waiting for UCAD to drop below that previous 15-minute wick?
It depends. Sometimes if it creates a stronger 30-minute bearish candle, then I might enter, just so that my stop loss isn't as big. But if it's like a weak 30-minute bearish candle, then yeah, then I would have to wait.
And your targets are probably 41937, maybe a bit less.
Yeah.
41955,
And
I think
then,
that's pretty fair. Previous 4 hour was bearish too, so
yeah, that's why I was basing off of the previous 4 hour. And if this creates a nice top wick for the 4 hour, and then starts hitting on down. It's just clean right now. That's why I like it.
and UCAD spreads are always nice to me, so
Yeah, same for me.
man, I don't know what is happening with prices
Because also for
these days.
Also for UCAD, he created a 15-minute. What was he gonna say? 15-minute bearish candle, but it was weak, and then the next 15-minute he broke it right away. That's the only thing that was iffy.
The previous 15 is weak, you said? Yeah, that was.
Yeah, and then he broke it right away. But I want to wait for a 30-minute, but the 15-minute has a big enough bearish candle, then I might enter below the previous 15-minute. Because it looks like it's almost also retesting at 1.42409, the low minor resistance. You see what I'm talking about? On the 30 minute?
Sorry, again?
1.42409.
Yeah, I'm looking at the same level here. I got 4, yeah.
Pardon me, what did he say?
Sorry, I said, yeah, I'm looking at the same level here. You have that 15-minute candle there?
Yeah, I just based off the 30, but yeah.
The 30, yeah, I see.
Yeah. That's why I'm hoping it rejects off of that. We'll see what happens in 5 minutes. Because the next hourly is gonna have to create a top wick, I feel like.
I agree, yeah.
And then head down.
Only thing is on the 4 hour, it's just giving me higher highs.
Yeah,
I feel like it's overbought at the moment.
I agree. It is giving me like higher highs on 4 hour, but it's just so far up.
It's worth it.
I don't know where else it's gonna go. Like I'm on the monthly now. It can go full all. If you look at the monthly, there's like a wick to the left, like June 1st, 2015, 2016. So it can go there, but.
You mean January?
On the monthly?
Yeah.
One second.
Wick on the monthly?
Yeah.
Will it fill that? That's a good one.
If it goes for buys, I'm not gonna take it just because I don't want to look that far back and where my targets would be for my TP. Just because like I want to scroll so far back and it's like, will they hit respect the previous resistance that far back, or will they not?
If it respects it and we get a bearish candle, probably looks good, but yeah, tough one. I mean, it's still pushing.
Yeah, I hope it respects it.
What are you guys looking at?
USD CAD.
Gotcha. I'll be back.
One of the only reasons I trade USD CAD is just because it's the pair I'm from.
It's the pair you're from, because you're from Canada, hey?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, one day I'll visit Canada.
Yeah, the only thing is that have you guys noticed that US dollar has been like very strong?
Yeah.
Everything we are going through here with the economy.
It's because aren't they like pumping in trillions of dollars right now?
Yeah.
Adjusting to the economy.
They're cutting rates, they're pumping money, they're doing all sorts of stuff that's make the dollar strong, even though the stocks are actually weak as shit.
Yeah, they're just trying to stimulate it, but I don't think it's gonna work.
No, I think it'll work. I think they'll honestly get it.
For the long run, really?
No, not for the long run. No, I'm so bearish on this. It's not even funny.
Yeah, so I think this is like a short-term plan, but how far are they gonna take it? How much money are they gonna pump in?
Man, they're not done yet. They've been given the green lights to issue unlimited debt or unlimited cash, and they're gonna blame the virus for this. So, when you create fear and uncertainty within people, you can do whatever you want. Really, I mean, history repeats itself. So.
And they already talked about like bailing out industries like the airline industries, the casino, stuff bailouts already in talks. And people who don't make enough money, I think like $65,000 a year and under, there's talks about giving them $1,000 each, and that's to
stimulate the economy.
Yeah.
What is? What will the $1,000 do for like each family that gets in?
Lowest wages, and they know that they would just like pump that money right back into the economy because they need it.
Yeah, I get the pumping the money back into economy because it's not gonna help them in the long run. It's just I think you're right. I think it's just something that they climb and just pump all the money back in. If this was a week on USD CAD, like a week 30-minute bull. So let's see what happens.
That's a nice one. Assuming you probably entered after this close. Once this wick down, you kind of got in. Looks good. Perfect. Up to your target. Left one position run. Ooh, nice job. That was a nice
Alright,
run.
so GJ doing a pullback. Let's see if it does a retest and then comes right back down.
And crude oil needs. That's what's crushing it as well. The economy. Crude oil.
Geez, looking forward. GJ's pulling back.
Yeah, it's gonna retest probably that middle area.
Why do you? I got a question, Paul. Why do you have the middle area marked up? Is it because they had the one on the 15-minute, the one bullish candle there?
I'll pull it up in 1 second. So, I think I put that one on the 30-minute. Yep, so right here, this is where we broke. And then we kind of just, you could say this was a retest, but I just had a feeling it was going to come back up because of the hourly. Kind of just broke below. And now it's the hourly's going to retest there and then probably pull back. So then I went to the 30, and I was like, yeah, probably around this area. But I had the 15 marked as well, just in case. So if this area doesn't hold and we close above here, we're going to break above here and head up. But I think sells are going to be better. But my MT4 trading views was previous 4 hours bullish, and it just kind of broke below there. So I can take sells, but on I could take buys too.
Yeah, because the wick to the left, right?
Yeah, because well, so this was bullish, so I can still take a buy if we get above here, because I think that would make sense. This would just have then tapped into here and gone lower to just grab more orders to go higher, maybe. But I'm gonna wait for it to do either get above here and take one, or if we get a break above here and then kind of like a little one, and once it makes a new high there, take it up. Otherwise, once we get a low coming down here, then we got clean traffic down to here. But it looks like it's gonna go up.
Just running.
Yeah, this pullback's a little bit too much.
I like it.
Took out the previous 15.
It kind of looks like it pulled into here to then continue up, which would be perfect because buys is technically was the first idea. So
Yeah, actually, it just took out the last 3 15-minute candles now.
The spread's crazy too, though, right now.
yeah, spreads at like 5. Damn, it might be messy this whole session then.
Nah, I'm at like 2.4.
Yeah, mine's going between like 2 and 5.
Damn, this thing is running, dude. Shit, I did not
flip on the 4 hour too.
Yeah, that was definitely a fake out.
Yep.
So
So
just to create like a lower wick for the 4 hour.
Yep.
Exactly.
Yeah, like I was saying, I just probably tapped into the like actual support. That's why it went lower than the previous. But my MT4 4 hour, this previous one, was bearish, so didn't really make a ton of sense.
So Paul, just to be sure, you were saying like to confirm the buys, you're waiting for like one bearish and then another bullish to go in.
I just want something to close above here, and then get another one to close, and then get it when it breaks above. So if I could see something kind of like this, but let's say the zone is like right here, and then once it breaks above here, that would be ideally what I want to see is a new high then. But this thing might just run all the way up because I'm not entering on this one.
It's a 40 pip candle. Are you kidding me?
Nah, usually it'll create like one bearish candle, and like you said, the next one will go up.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I think we're gonna have a good opportunity regardless. We just gotta wait for it. Yeah. If it doesn't break the hourly high though, it's gotta break that previous hourly high. GJ, clean traffic. Yep.
Anybody could have caught that.
I don't know how you could have caught that. Maybe once it broke above here
I
with a
looked at
buy.
the 5 minute. There was
But
nothing
spreads
there.
at 7 or 8, so today's whole session could just be shit like Thursday. Yep.
Yeah, I was in GJ sales earlier this afternoon, and spreads were like 11.
Yeah, I don't really like that.
8.6.
I don't really like it. I'm not a fan.
I'm hoping my USD CAD works out then.
Is the Canadian dollar in session right now?
No.
Oh.
You might have to hold that overnight. It's happened to me a couple of times when I trade USD CAD.
At this time?
I mean, if you're into like a short position now, it's probably not gonna like hit your target until like tomorrow morning.
Really? I don't think so, because what was it, like 2 days ago when I entered, I hit my target within like, I'll say 5 minutes.
Like 5 minutes?
Yeah, for me, because I'm only going for like 10 pips, right? I'm not going for anything crazy.
Wow.
It still moves.
Spread
Like,
just, like fluctuate like crazy just now.
Mm-hmm. Cause yeah, I don't think we broke the hourly. No, it didn't break the hourly on MT4.
Man, this price action above USD CAD here is so scary for me.
Like when it goes up?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not touching it if it goes up. Like at all.
Just because it could be an instant weak fill here and then back down.
I wouldn't know where to have my target set. So if I don't know where to have my target set, I'm not entering that if it goes above everything.
Eu já percebi, mano. É assim que viste que não mataste, tem que estás atrás.
What?
What's going on?
Yo, that spread looking crazy right now, boy.
Yep.
Oh, it's dropping now, but it's still high.
Nah, mine's just going from like 1 to 8.
Mine was at 17.
Here's hopefully what we get. 15-minute closure here.
Now it's at 8 and 9.
At resistance. And then the next 15-minute candle to break that high. If spreads look good.
Not looking good right now. They're supposed to be normal now.
Here's UCAD approaching its resistance area.
Yeah, I'm really hoping it doesn't break here.
If you go on the 1 hour,
yeah,
you've also got that hourly candle.
One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a bearish candle.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about.
So I've drawn a resistance line.
Yeah, that's exactly where my third. Sorry.
Yeah, from that wick to that's other bearish wick. So anywhere in between there.
I'm pretty sure, like, if it keeps going bullish, I don't know where it's going. Like, the only, like, for monthly, it's gonna just fill the wick.
Or tap the two bodies where it opened and closed it on the 15th or the 30th. And then slam back down. Seems to be respecting it at the moment.
It's also just, like, the hour just open. So I'm thinking just quitting the top right now.
Yeah, that is the hourly. Perfect tap of that resistance.
up, man? How you guys doing?
Good.
Welcome,
What about
welcome,
you?
very good.
Doing good, bro. Looking for GJ buys hopefully in this session.
Spreads are like 8 though.
Yeah, I know it's like 5 on mine. Ridiculous. I'm waiting until like closer to 8, hopefully.
It's always so
Crazy.
wild
Sometimes
in New
don't
York
take,
or
spreads have
Asian
been
sessions.
wild.
By the way, Paul,
Yeah.
what does the blue name mean on the YouTube? Yesterday when I was YouTube, like my name, it's blue and with a little.
Moderator.
Yep.
Made it, man.
Yep.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah. I don't know why. No problem. I don't know why Asian sessions crazy, but like New York and London aren't like this.
I think they say they use the Asian session a lot to gather contracts for the Asian or the London and New York. Which is why
BNI has been nice.
Yeah, spreads looking crazy.
Yeah, mine just come. Never mind. Keeps going from like 2 to 9 real quick.
Don't want us to win, boys.
1000%.
Do any of you use EA, like expert advisors or like robot for trading, like bots?
Yeah, I do. I have actually it's not really an expert advisor. It's like an indicator where as soon as all my trades go into 10 pips of profit, it'll move me into break even automatically. So it's more like it comes up as expert advisor, but it's really like an indicator.
And you just like drag it to like whatever chart you're trading on in MT4?
Yeah, so basically I can right click, I'll go to expert advisors and properties, and I can input the numbers. Like let's just say I want to make it 10 pips, move my trades into 1 pip of profit, which is what I usually do, or break even, however you want to do it. Or you can say 15 pips, move it into profit, however many pips you want, you know? And
What's
I'll
it
make
called?
it for you. Hold on. I actually have found it on Forex Peace Army. It's called. Yeah, it's actually called FPA break even.
FPA break even. Okay.
Yeah, FPA. I found it on Peace Army, Forex Peace Army, but I'm pretty sure I can just send it to you guys, like since I have the actual file.
Yeah.
But it's really clutch, like especially like, you know, sometimes it'll flash in the profit real quick and then pull back on you.
Mm.
Like it'll automatically blink of an eye, put in the profit for you.
This one 15-minute candle on GJ broke 10 previous 15-minute candles.
Go on, yeah.
You say when it take 10 pips, it get out too?
You can set it to whatever you want. You basically say, all right, once I'm in profit, however much in profit, move me this much. My stop loss this much in profit. So you set it how you want.
That's what I'm talking about.
Is anyone trading on a Mac computer?
I do.
Yeah. Would you mind sharing that in the Telegram, if possible?
I'm not in your Telegram, but I'm in Slack. Or I can email it, however you guys want to do it. Like I said, I have the actual file.
The person trading on a Mac, do you use your phone to trade, or are you still using an
No, I still use my my Mac. Like sometimes I use my phone, but rarely, just because I don't like to trade off the phone.
Man, I'm still trading on the phone. I need it.
Yeah, I'm about to get I just bought Magic Keys, so I'm actually going to be trading on my Mac, but I'm going to be buying parallels too, so that way I'm trading off Windows, and the Magic Keys will work, and I'm just going to be, it'll still be on my Mac, but technically it's like trading off of the Windows.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
I'm trying to get a desktop.
DJ 5 minutes is a good trade, but the spread is crazy.
I figured the only way for me to get
if
it
you look at 5 minutes, it's a good structure, but the spread is like 5 to 8.
Yeah, the 5 minute can pull back though and retest and then go. So just be careful.
No, I'm not getting it. The spread's too wide.
Yo,
I
what's
reckon
up?
if the 5 minute here retests, you could probably look for it.
Hey, you got that file? I don't know how you want to send it. What you want to do? You got.
Email or whatever, or if you guys are in Slack, I'll post it in Slack. How you want to do it?
Yeah, I'm in Discord. I'm gonna post my email. Let's see what should I. Oh, she's looking for. Like it's trying to cross one of the lines.
Man,
Can I put my email in the Zoom chat?
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do too.
Oh yeah. Hold on, let me figure out how to get the chat now because I'm on the phone. Oh, I see it. Oh, there we go. Alright.
When Toronto is closing down, my finger.
This is so annoying. Fucking Asian session spreads are just dog shit.
I cannot believe that 15-minute pump towards the close. I didn't expect that.
So apparently this thing was just retesting maybe this area.
Yeah, GBP must be really strong right now because GA and GN are usually doing the complete opposite of GJ, and everything's like rocketing up right now.
Yeah, GA. Oh, GA's. What?
I still have a
buying
bias.
opportunity here for GA.
I was still thinking GA's was going to be a sell, GA and GN, but dude, not with a 70 or a 70 pip 15-minute candle.
I've been staying away from GA because on the 4 hour it just looks so messy.
Yeah.
It looks too messy.
Yeah, I usually just pull it up and I see what it's doing in comparison to GJ, but it's like, dude, this is getting really hard to trade.
Look at these massive.
How accurate this thing is. That I have this currency heatwave app. The British pound is the strongest next to the dollar, but the Japanese yen is not that weak.
It's not that weak, you said?
No.
Whoa.
What app are you trading on your Mac with? For your MetaTrader? C-Trade?
Damn, that 5 minute was a good entry. Well, it would have been a good entry. But the spread wasn't so crazy.
Yeah.
Right,
even if it breaks sort of just resistance at 130, 20.
226.
Pardon?
130, 226.
Yeah, like around there. Even if it breaks out, like there's still possible buys after that, all up to like 130, 50.
I agree. It's just you need a good stop loss placement.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for a retest.
Yeah, so am
Hey AJ, what do you think about USD CAD right now?
USD CAD.
He had a weak bullish 15. The only thing I'm scared about is the 5 minute. I don't want it to retest. Retest on the 5 minute. Do you see the one big move down?
Yeah, it didn't really tap it.
Yeah, so I hope it doesn't retest that and go back up.
To be honest, I wouldn't probably enter until.
I'm waiting for a break of a low, no matter what.
Yeah, I agree. Maybe 2287. 42287. Previous 15 minute.
Yeah.
With a What is the...
Alright,
if
Skeeta
we do anything
sent you
here,
the thing.
Just because
What's the next one?
stop loss. Not bad, 4.5.
Yeah. Stop loss wouldn't be big. That's the nice thing.
I've done it against the previous 15, not the current, so... 38 pip move.
Ideally,
Ideally,
yeah, I would want a 30-minute close, but then the stop loss would be a lot bigger. That's the thing.
maybe we get a 5-minute.
Honestly, I might not even take a trade tonight. I don't really like anything right now.
The only thing I like is USD CAD right now. Or GG if it breaks and retests below.
It'll come back down.
I'm probably gonna give USD CAD if I get a good setup here, run. But probably half risk.
It's not in session though.
I know, but it worked on me for like the last time I traded it.
Yeah. Do you?
The only thing I'm worried about if it just quits lower, higher low on the 5-minute.
I mean, the higher GJ goes, the better room he has to come down.
It would make sense for it to range if it's not in session here between these two resistance and support level.
Yeah.
Until the open.
What's going on, guys?
But yeah, that 5-minute really needed retest.
It looks like it's creating a higher low right now on the 5-minute. Which I don't like. Let me go back to the 4-hour.
Hey, what does it mean when it says break even trigger and pips?
Hold on. So you added it to your expert. You added it to your expert advisor folder, right?
Yeah, I got it all set up. I'm just in there.
Oh,
I'm just setting
alright.
up.
So go to properties, go to input. So break even trigger and pips is you saying if you're however many pips into the trade, how far do you want them to put your
Take this back.
stop loss in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So for break even trigger and pips, just put 10 pips. And then
pips
is how far you want the stop loss to be moved in the profit. So you put 1 pip or however you want to do it.
Yeah, I'll just do 2 pips.
Yeah, so 2.0 and then you're good on that.
Jurgo, I just posted my UCAD in the Telegram. But you see here on the 5-minute?
1 second, let me pull it up.
Do I need to drag it on the chart or anything? Or?
No, once you put it in that folder and set the inputs, then you're good.
5-minute? The 7th 5-minute candle. You see that long wick here?
Yeah.
It creates sort of a little resistance on other wicks too.
Yeah.
I think I'll probably enter if I look for a break of that, not the previous 15-minute, because the previous 15 is a little bit higher. 2286, previous 15.
Yeah, I still want to wait for the previous 15 just because on the 5-minute it has so many fake outs and stuff like that. I have entered off the 5-minute before and it's worked out, but personally I still want to wait for the 5-minute. I mean 15. Because right now I'm scared that it's creating a. It looks like it's creating a higher low right here. Because this 5-minute has no bottom wick. It hasn't broken the previous 5-minute, but it's right there. This is right at the previous 5-minute top wick, and it doesn't have a bottom wick on this previous 5-minute. So it looks like it just created a higher low.
Ooh, nice. Hopefully we get a break here on GJ. Next 15-minute candle, maybe.
Yeah.
With a tight stop loss.
Alright, everyone that sent their email should have got that advisor. If not, let me know.
Yeah, I just got it. I appreciate that.
Thank you, nigga. Just got it. I need to figure out
appreciate it, man.
how to install it.
You just go to file.
I put it in under indicators, so like after downloading
No, not
it,
indicators. You put it in the expert advisors folder.
expert advisors folder.
Yeah, when you go to
I'll
go to file, open data folder, you go to MQL4, and the top folder says experts. You gotta put it in there.
It don't really matter which folder you put it in. It still
Oh,
works.
for mine, it had to be. I had to put it in.
Yeah,
or maybe I just did it from the jump. I don't know.
Yeah, you can put it in any folder and then you just start the program and really. Let me see, somebody just sent me a message. Did you use the template or something?
For USD CAD, still not breaking the 30-minute resistance right there, which is a good thing.
Yeah, perfect. 3-minute candle closure here. 15-minute is in no man's land. Doesn't know what it wants to do.
So
I agree.
DJ looks like a break and retest.
I'm waiting on GJ to come back down here. As this 30 minutes going to close, probably somewhere in here, but above here for sure. Then we're going to get a wick down, and then hopefully it'll be yeah, I can't find an example, but I'm hoping the wick will come down, it'll close, we can get a good stop, and then take it up for that wick fill here and then up to here.
Definitely.
But spread needs to chill out. Last time it didn't cool down an hour before open, it was shit the whole session, so I have a feeling we're going to get shit spread the whole session on GJ.
What is C Trader? Does anyone know?
An off-brand MetaTrader.
Any MetaTrader. So how are you boys trading on the computer? Does your broker provide you a platform?
Yep.
I don't know if my broker gives me a platform with dogs.
I used Vantage FX as my broker, and they provided they let me download it. It wasn't the MT4 too though.
Actually, they've got a Mac app here. I didn't even know. MetaTrader for Mac.
It's a pain in the ass to download it on the Mac.
Shit, Mac.
The USD CAD looks like it's gonna close like a doji candle.
What does Doji represent for you?
Like it doesn't know which way it wants to go almost.
Yeah, indecision. Same.
So if the next 30-minute candle breaks the low of this previous 30-minute, I might enter.
Damn, yeah, USD CAD had quite the bull run.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know how far up it wants to go. That's why I'm not taking any buys. I don't know where I want to put my targets or anything.
Yeah. I mean, look at that daily chart, man. Jesus. From
Yeah,
January,
I know.
just like a couple months.
Just look at the monthly chart. It broke everything almost.
Yeah, I just don't think it is moving.
Yeah, that's a shit. Wow.
That's why I'm not taking any buys. I just don't know where the target is, how far it's gonna go up. If I don't know where my target is, I'm not entering.
Yeah, that's a smart idea.
So if
Yeah,
it
it's
decides
pulling back, but the gap, the spread is like widening.
Even gold at the moment, I just don't know how anyone can touch it.
Oh yeah, gold. I ate off the gold this morning.
gold's just in a
Yeah.
nasty range right now, and he's just having these massive wicks.
It's fucking
Nah.
crazy these weeks.
Yeah, gold trying to get you paid.
Gold trying to take your money.
Well, if you don't know what you're doing.
One wrong move and it's game over.
Gold wasn't playing, man.
Bro, I forgot, when was it? Let me see real quick.
Man, I
Yeah.
caught gold the other day, but
On like gold, like earlier today, was like really good actually. Like some clear ass setups.
I caught a short on gold. When was it? 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago. Got paid, baby. It was good. That fucking GJ 15 minute.
GG on the 5 minute looks like it's just trying to create a higher low right now.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
Yeah.
How are you, my friend?
You know.
There's a good app I'm using. Chat wants to like a pip calculator. It's called STINU on the App Store. You can enter your account balance, how much you're willing to risk, as well as how wide your stop loss is, and it will create you your lot size, if that makes sense.
Yeah, it calculates your risk man for you.
You talking about
no, it's just an app on the phone here.
Oh, okay.
But it's buggy sometimes. You fucking entering the numbers in and nothing. Anyway.
There's actually an indicator for that too. I don't know if that's what you're talking about, but like it sits in the bottom right of your screen and it'll tell you like your stop loss, your risk, and whatever your lot size should be.
See, that's why I need to get it on the computer. On the phone, it's too much manual work. But for such quick movements, sometimes you miss out, or you don't put the odds in your favor.
If you want, I can send you that one too. Like it says, pretty cool. Like you just put in like your stop loss amount, your risk amount, and your lot size will always be displayed on the bottom right of your screen.
I'll put my email down in the chat.
What are you guys talking about? So I've just woken up.
Just put my email in the chat.
Oh, what
It's
site?
the
An
indicator
indicator
that
for what?
automatically generates your lot size for you, depending on your stop loss and risk that you put in.
Oh, cool. Can you send me that as well? Is it like a robot thing?
It's like the first one I was mentioning was a EA, but this one's just a straightforward indicator.
Cool. Yeah. Ping that my way, bro.
Alright, once.
We're putting emails in. Is that the logistics?
Yeah, hold on. I got like a couple emails to send. Hold on.
Got my contract through today. Well, the last bits of it. They're drawing it all up now.
This team they're playing around on CAD. What do you want to do?
Yeah, but the only thing that's looking good right now is not breaking the resistance at all.
Is GJ halted or my MT4 is tripping?
MT4 might be tripping. Mine's tripping a little bit too.
It slowed down though, the movement.
Yeah, it slowed down a little bit. Spreads came down a little bit, but it still needs to come down a lot more. What up, Nick? Nope, no trades taken yet.
2 to 3.
Just waiting still.
Spreads at 2.8 for me at the moment.
How is that possible? Mine are at like 7 and 8.
Come on, Paul. This is the only. Oh, we're gonna get a retest here.
Yep.
It's the first time my spreads are lower than yours.
Is it?
I should celebrate.
I thought they were lower yesterday.
I think yesterday's spreads were like 4, but then it came down. It was a mess yesterday. Here we go, boys. Retest candle.
Okay, Abdul, check your email. I sent it to you.
My friend.
And Ash, I'm sending it to you now.
Nice one, thank you.
No worries.
Does anyone use the Brave browser? Or is it just Google Chrome?
What's the Brave browser?
I'm about the one with the coins.
Yep, that's the one.
I know you're talking about, bro.
I've been using it for now, what is it, 3 months? 4 months? Every single day. And I have racked up, how many coins? 24 coins, which is worth a measly $2 US. I just do it for the ads and pop-ups and shit though. It's good. It's pretty safe. I received it, Nick. Thanks, man.
No worries, man. Like I said, just trying to help any way I can.
Nice, Garrett. He just started demo practicing yesterday. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. I honestly thought this whole food shortage situation at the supermarkets was a meme until I went to go buy just 1 bottle of milk.
Yeah, Australia's messed up. Like when
I was
just
left
before I
with,
came here.
lactose intolerant milk and what? It's funny though because all the vegan food's still there. Like you walk through.
Oi, leave us alone. Leave us alone.
Sorry, didn't mean to. I just thought it was funny.
Yeah, we've eaten. We've eaten.
We've eaten.
The vegans are just fine, thank you very much. You got super offended.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just saying what I saw at the shops. I thought it was really. Yeah, I didn't expect it, to be honest.
I'm gonna start sending you vegan stuff to your email now.
Beyond beef burgers? Beyond meat burgers?
I personally try and keep it as root-based as possible. I will eat them if I'm like at a fast food joint. It's not something that I tend to go for anyway, so it's like a once in a blue moon thing that I'll eat some fake. Like there's a place down my road here that has like this really good like vegan food, and they have like fake meats and everything, and like genuinely you cannot tell the difference, and it tastes so good, and it's like $1.50 for a meal.
How do you know it's fake meat? You can't tell the difference.
Because it's a vegan.
What up, Hassan? How's it going? I'm good.
That's pretty fair, Garrett. 0.5% risk, which is good. People on demo just fucking 50% risk, but it's good.
Paul, would you consider this one a retest candle? Well, not really. Wait for it to break, right?
Well, yeah, I wouldn't be looking to enter anything right here, but my spreads are still at 5, so might just be sitting on my hands tonight, unfortunately, because stupid fucking virus.
You have a resistance line at like 130, 170, right?
Yep. Yeah, 130, 170, 180. Yeah. I think it's gonna get above there. To be fair.
Yeah, I'll wait for a break because I'll wait for a break.
My spreads are down to like 2.7.
Yeah, so much for a zero account. SMH.
Yeah, mine's got two. Bouncing between 2 and 3 now.
This shit's getting annoying. Can't even do Asian session because of all the crap that's going on.
Yeah. Do you think it's worth considering maybe doing it a little bit later, maybe? I don't know, just whilst this whole spread thing's a bit messed up?
We're making history in Australia. We are getting smashed.
Yeah, I was gonna suggest that too, Paul. Maybe starting the Zoom and the stream a little bit later, just because we're sitting here waiting for an hour and a half for anything to happen.
Yeah.
Maybe start it even at like 7:30 or 8 o'clock.
Yeah, I mean, I already started it an hour later than normal, but still.
Time change.
Yeah.
Because yesterday it took.
Because spreads, Asian Open is in 17, 16 minutes. So spreads should be down an hour before Asian Open.
My spreads have calmed down somewhat, so like 3 now. 3-2-ish.
Yeah, mine's bouncing between like 4 and 5.
I think my chart on USD CAD's broken. The price isn't moving.
Well, it's not in session, so...
No, my price isn't moving to it.
What is this shit?
On the 5 minute is just ranging, super small range. We'll see what happens in 15 minutes.
Earlier today, I got in a trade while I was at work, and my MetaTrader app was messing up. So then I pressed it like 5 times, and it entered me like 5 times, like 5 minutes later.
Man, GG.
Yeah, I think once this hour closes,
man's a GG.
That's all you can say at that point. GG.
I think once this hour closes on GJ, it might just do like another pullback, or if it doesn't break on the 15th, I'll get in though. But I think my pullback is coming.
2 weeks ago, I entered on the wrong pair accidentally.
I did that a couple times.
And it actually went my way for the first time in history.
That happened to me too.
How does that happen? Like, how do you enter on the wrong pair?
No, because I don't know. Because when I trade on the phone,
Mm-hmm.
hopefully here we get a break, boys. Maybe you can get a nice tight stop loss on this 15.
Are you guys looking at EJ? Is that what you guys are looking at?
EJ. USD
GJ
CAD
or
GJ, but I think USD CAD's just stuck right now.
Yeah, the movements are just so small on the 30-minute,
Why?
50-minute.
Yeah, I was just looking at longs on gold, but the spread was just too high.
Gold?
Yeah, I was looking
Gold
at
is
entering on
wild.
Yeah, but that's what I like about gold.
I know. Everybody
Like
has
yesterday, I
preferences.
caught the drop on everything. It's just frustrating. I didn't have the I signed up, got all my contract and everything lined up today for the funded account, and I was doing some. I want to say networking last night, and the skeezer said he might be able to sort me out with some sort of investor type thing. Don't really know how that works, so I'm just gonna see how it goes.
Just careful, man. This fucking world's malicious.
Yeah, no, like this is like a what they call a nomadic area. So he's like just networking. Like he just saw me post like a thing online saying, "Hey, I'm new to the area." Like he wants to like hang, chill. Here's a bit about me, why I'm here, what I'm doing. And yeah, he said, "Hey, let's come for a coffee." And then turns out it was like some crazy ass meeting. Like I felt a bit out of my depth, to be honest.
It's good. I don't know if that's good.
So I saw you flip over to EJ. That looks like a flip bearish.
Yeah, I think it's bullish though.
Let me send you a chart real quick for EJ.
Why is this shit taking so long to fucking load?
And I've got EJ in
I don't.
the biggest monthly downtrend at the moment. The support level, and it's getting close to breaking out in the upside or downside.
Yeah, it's going up.
Yeah, I won't be trading UCAD. God, bitch.
Yo, does anybody trade Euro USD?
I did yesterday. Took a
Those
massive short on it.
those spreads seem to be like the lowest out of like a lot of them.
Yeah, it's always
Most
going to be the
traded
lowest
pair,
spread.
though.
Always, yeah. Like I trade, I started trading more like the cable, so pound USD recently, just because the movements have been so good, and so it's such clear trends as well at the moment with it. And I often find you get a few more pips out of pound USD than Euro USD. I find Euro USD moves a little bit too slow for me.
Yeah, UCAD's on moving. I don't think we're getting a trade on that.
Took off my analysis, but I've still got it up just to see what actually happens.
Paul, when you get a chance, check that chart in the chat, YouTube chat.
I put up the EJ to see what's happening there.
Where's your charts? I don't see a chart.
You know, for some reason, because I sent it with like the /x/.
Yep.
Usually it'll go through in London, but I don't think you ever see one.
Yeah, you just gotta send those last little letters.
Alright, let me just try letters then.
Yeah, spread's still acting up, man.
Hey Nick, that link you sent didn't work.
Me?
Yeah, try and click on the link. It just says what does it say? We couldn't find the page you're looking for. This could either be URL.
It's not a link. It's actual indicators. Drag that into your MetaTrader.
Ah, right. Okay, I'm just doing it on the phone. I'm not getting a laptop till like a couple weeks.
Oh no, it's not a link, man. It's an actual indicator that goes to your MT4.
Trying to call you a scammer.
1000%.
Call you a scammer.
Yeah, man. I'll have a laptop like this in the next couple weeks. So yeah, definitely get that thing on.
No, they're both pretty close, man. Like, you know.
So you say so it just tells you what you should put on, or does it do it automatically as you enter the trade?
No. So what happens is you put the indicator in there. You put how many pips your stop loss is going to be, how much of your account you want to risk, and it will always display your stop loss, your risk, and your lot size on the bottom right.
Ah, okay.
Can we help you with Raymond?
What's that?
Sorry, some guy in the chat, Raymond, said hello, I need some help.
Hey, mate, could you send the 522?
I'm trying to quit Forex trading. Delete MetaTrader. Someone just said crude oil's cratering. Yeah, fuck. 26.5. 10-year yield above 1 though, which is why I think we'll still see the Dow and the S&P push.
Down. S&P going straight down.
SPX. Was anyone old enough to be around when the GFC, or do they remember the GFC? Because I don't remember, I was too young.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
2007, 2008, the GFC?
I think I was in high school. I didn't even know what that was.
Yeah, does anyone remember it? I don't.
No, I don't.
Do you remember? No, I don't.
GCAD, big move. Let's see what GCAD look like. GCAD ain't playing either.
GJ trying to go up?
Yeah. Probably look for long.
Yeah, the CAD and oil move together. So if oil's going down, so is the Canadian dollar.
If this 15-minute closes and then we get another 15-minute bullish that breaks above that wick there on GJ, so we're gonna have a nice stop loss.
Yeah, but that'll be an hourly close. And then the next one's gonna probably want to wick down to here like yesterday.
Hopefully the spreads drop now.
Oh, we have retail sales coming in for AUD today. 8:30, 30 minutes, 35 minutes.
Yep.
I'm staying away from AUD with a 12-foot pole.
Yep, I'm staying very away from
That's red, and the range has been crazy for the past like week.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to trade 70 pip 15-minute candles.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man.
What's GJ doing, boys?
Going up.
Let's get it going.
If he goes over 132.20, I may take.
132.20.
Yeah, that's far.
132.
No, 130.220.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
That's what I'm looking at too.
Yeah, so I mean, that would probably change my bias.
I would just be worried about the hour and all. Don't you think it's gonna wick down before?
Yeah.
It's gotta if it gets above here, that'll be breaking the previous hourly, right? Or well, 1, 2. That'll be breaking this one, yeah. It could just pop on the next one, to be fair.
I mean, the next stop will be like the 13500.
Mm-hmm.
Cut a few pips up, but I still believe it's coming down.
I wouldn't even mind if it does break that and then retest it. It's a higher low.
Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna wait for it to come here, but if it does take off and go up, I think it's good. If you put maybe a pending above here, you'd be good up to here at least, because that's still 22 pips.
I wanted to create a higher before I put a pending, just because like I feel like the hourly is gonna wick down.
Mm-hmm.
What happened yesterday? I don't want to be in the mess at all.
Yep.
It's fair enough.
I'd rather it create a higher low and then enter then.
Raymond, please be careful, man. People lose a lot of money on this shit.
GJ spread is down to 2.5, so that's better.
No, Liam, no trades yet. Is that a dog growling? Was that someone's tummy?
I don't know.
Oh no, sorry, that's me. Yeah, no, it's a bike.
Oh. Yeah, that makes sense. A bike.
Yep, Pablo, I'll pull that up after. I think we might have something here.
"19 seconds. Ooh, there's the hour.
There he goes. Yep.
Oh my word.
We out here trying to get paid, boys.
Yeah, see, I was waiting for this wick down to get the wick for the hourly.
Damn, that's a hard rejection too. Yeah.
That's why I don't want to enter.
Look at USD CAD.
Nope.
That is exactly what I was scared of happening.
Nothing's happening.
For me, it's broken.
Yeah, but like it sort of retest down though. I don't think much is gonna happen, so I'm not focusing down too much on it. I just, like I said, I have it open just to go back on it. It is breaking that, but it could just create a top wick right now and then come back down, but just not moving that much.
I'm gonna put a pending on GJ. 130, 251.
251?
Yep.
That's good.
It's actually like right here, but on MT4 it's a little different.
To me, GJ is pulling back on the 1 hour to continue going up.
Yep.
That's fair. We're just gonna have a wider stop loss here.
$130, 237 on MT4. Did it place it? Invalid SL or TP? Well, I didn't place one, so...
Yeah.
Oh, buy limit, that's why. 130, 237. There we go, that's why. There we go.
You placing a buy or sell order? Oh, okay. Sorry.
How good?
Luke, we're looking for buys here, my friend.
Yep. I'm actually in EJ as well. I kept it quiet because I didn't want anyone to take it because it didn't feel super good. But I'm in EJ as well right now.
Bonds?
Yeah, it just didn't. It didn't feel like a good. Yeah, it didn't feel like a good trade to give a new trader because I took it mostly on experience and my high confirmation. But I think GJ is going to definitely be better.
Yeah, I think
everybody's flocking to EJ right now. Oh god.
Yeah, I think EJ is more sales, but I'm not in anything.
I gotta pee, but I can't go pee now.
Yeah, this thing.
I know what you mean, man.
Alright, I'm gonna go pee. I'm gonna pull my phone up.
You boys hear the drilling above me? Just let me know. So you know how my YouTube name is AG? Anytime the chat spells anything with the word letters A and G followed, it just highlights it for me. My spreads at the moment are 2.6 pips for GJ.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait till London today. Can't see anything at the moment. Nothing's looking particularly good.
And I didn't miss anything. Perfect. Yo, come on. You ain't here to bird watch.
This fucking currency's gonna absolutely melt. I watched a cool little documentary yesterday about someone in the US who shorted the New Zealand currency back in 1990s or late 80s.
That guy's a legend for like 330 mil, right?
Yeah, that's the one. It was the craziest. It actually made my skin shivers.
330 mil?
Yeah, off one
Yeah.
trade.
One position, one trade, that's it?
One position, one trade. And apparently the New Zealand government called him on the phone and were like,
Yeah, the Minister of Finance was calling
Yeah.
him like, get away from my currency.
What did they say?
Because he owned it at the time, he was told that he was manipulating the currency so hard because it was a new currency at the time, added to Forex, I think. I'm not sure. Long story short is he shorted it.
With how much? What was this? Like, how much?
100
How much
million,
money?
I think he put in.
A mil?
Or 100 million?
100 million?
I think it was his.
Yeah, he's manipulating the market 100%.
Yeah, so they called him, the Minister of Finance, and was like, obviously the guy never admitted it, but he reckons the phone call meant like, get off our currency, you know, you're fucking with it.
He's fucking like death threats. He knew what he was doing,
I think he.
He's like, oh, let me just mess with them quickly.
I think Paul is in EJ by Max, yes?
Yep.
I'm not sure his analysis though.
Where did you enter at? The 30 minute when you were ripped up?
I entered right here.
Got it.
But like I said, it felt risky, and I just didn't feel comfortable providing people to copy. For
Yeah,
people
because
that
there is a noise still left.
yeah, for people that come here to just copy, I didn't think that would be a good one for them to take. Because I dropped the risk on it as well, because I'm gonna try and hold it a little bit longer. I think it's like I got a 20 pip and then a 35 pip, because it looks good on the higher time frame. So I might have to hold it for like an hour or two, but I think longer term it should get up there.
Kevin, it's not a documentary, just a movie, sorry. It's just like a little 10 or 15 minute documentary on YouTube. Just type in $300 million Forex trade.
Oh my god. I think if this thing gets up there, it's gonna pop.
Ooh.
Ooh.
It's going.
I'm gonna switch over to my GJ chart.
Come on.
Yeah, and this line isn't perfectly accurate with MT4, but I'll tell you once I get put in. I have a feeling GJ and EJ are, if they both go up, they're gonna kind of pop around the same time.
Yeah, man, I was looking at anything above like 220.
Yep, mine is at, where is it?
I have it in that
237.
130, 235, like.
Yep. Yep, same. Because if it gets above there, then we're above this last little issue here, and
Yeah,
we
that's
should
it,
be
and
good
it
up to
moves up.
here. Yep. So I'm gonna take it for probably 10 pips and then get out right away.
And this looks like it created the lower wick there for the hour.
Yep.
Nice little decent wick.
Yep. EJ's popping up too.
I think we're about to be in business, boys.
Yep. GJ is in. Spread jumped up and put me in a little early, but I think I should be okay. Come on. GJ, chill out with the spread.
3 or 4.
There we go. There's 5.
GJ, baby.
Come on.
And this thing's going all the way.
Yeah, my EJ's up in profit now too.
Look at everyone. Was onto that.
Come on, where's my 800 pip candle? Come on.
Yeah, really.
I'm waiting for that day.
I just want 10.
No, I want 10 too, but like I want to shoot up 800 pips, and I was trying to close for 10.
And then as you close for 10, it's like, oh shit, you closed 700.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, one day it's gonna happen.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Oh, there's 4. I think once it gets above that high it just made, it'll pop up pretty hard. Come on, GJ. Chill out with the spread. I should be up 6 pips right now. Oh, there we go. There's 6. Come on, climb. It's just chilling. Maybe we'll get a rocket in this last minute.
So did you enter that one manually, or did you have to buy stop there?
I put a buy stop in.
I got it manually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you have a set? When did you set your stop loss?
I did not. My finger is on the X.
Ah. Okay.
But once it's up, like 6, I'm gonna just set it break even. But I think we should be good.
How's the 4 hour looking? Pretty nutty.
Come on. It's trying so hard.
Yeah, spreads are going dumb again on mine anyway.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my spreads are back up at 3 on GJ.
Yeah, I brought my stop loss to break even too early. Stop me out.
Oh, come on. The fuck? It should be good.
I think this 15 minutes is trying to create a lower wick right here.
I'm thinking this 5 minute just kind of looks like it did a retest, and now if it gets above that previous one, it should run pretty nicely. Oh, oh, come on, push up quick.
You guys already have that expert advisor set?
I've had one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
I think this thing should go.
When it's like this and the spread is going crazy, like if you got it set for 10 pips to move it into profit, you gotta be careful. The spread might stop you up.
Every time it starts to go, the spread just jumps up. I'm up 4. My spread's at 3 though. That's so annoying.
But now we're good. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go up and retest that top at least.
Oh, I hear Pac-Man in the background.
This is my chair squeaking.
Thought it was Pac-Man.
No. Pac-Man. What are you thinking, bro? Pac-Man.
Is the EA going to close my trade or just move my stop loss?
No, it's strictly just to one time wherever you tell it to move.
Ooh, come on.
You tell it when I'm this much in profit, move it this much in the profit.
Come on, come on.
I'm going stop loss break even.
Yep, I'm break even now too. Come on, keep going.
You guys got some good entries. Then I'm like, that's 5
I'm
pips
only
right
up
now.
6 pips.
Yeah, I'm sitting at 5.
Maybe I went too early on the stop loss here, but
yeah, I'm not. I don't care. I don't want it to come back. I made that high. I'm thinking we should be able to get a couple more pips out of it. If not, I'm gonna be a little salty.
It should keep going.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't pull back on me though.
If it pulls back, it would just retest that 130, 170 area.
Yeah, if it pulls back, that's gonna be it for me. And oh, it's probably gonna take me out of B. Come on, just go. Quit playing. The spreads look like freaking trash. Seriously, it went up 8 and then came back. That's so disrespectful. I mean, I closed 1 pip on EJ, so. But I still got 1 more EJ position running. Come on, GJ. Be nice today.
you know what pisses me off more than anything? When you go break even, but the spreads stop you out at a small loss.
Oh yeah, that could happen too.
Yeah, fucked.
And here we go.
Yeah, here.
You gonna come get me out? Should have just taken 8, man. Come on. These fucking markets right now are shit.
And I am out.
Yep, same. That was fun.
Yeah, I never even got on that one, boys. I'm gonna pop off. This shit's just pissing me off today.
Yeah, that shit's fucking retarded.
Yep.
Yeah, now EJ's retracing as well. Cool.
So lost $7.
Cool.
You guys got into or moved it up too soon.
I'd rather.
Yeah, I don't want to. It went up. It made a new high. It shouldn't have came all the way back down to make a new low.
Yeah, but we all know it's been playing games this entire week. So a little bit of breathing room, let it do its thing, and then it goes its right way.
I'm still hanging in there, boys.
Me and you both.
Yeah, I'm still in.
On our way to the promised land, boys.
Yes, sir. Buckle up.
On the 5 minute, it created another high, but it closed bearish.
I'm thinking once this 30-minute closes is when it's gonna push up again. So probably not until 8:30.
Excuse me.
Oh.
Sorry, man. How do I pronounce your name? Is it Gurjot? Gurjot?
Gurjot.
Gurjot, yeah.
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
Pips Don't Lie?
No.
You sound like him.
You a racist bastard.
No, like, someone said I sound South African.
You do.
Here you go.
You're bogan.
Yeah, I'm out of that trade, thank God. Fuck that shit.
I'm still positive today, boys.
Oh,
1-3.
I'll hold it.
Let me see, how many did I win? Oh, I think I've won 3 trades today. Yeah. No, I won 2 trades today. I lost 1. That's not bad. Not bad, boys.
Not bad.
Starting to pull back.
Yeah, I got pulled out too. I had mine set for like 1 pip.
Yeah, I'm still holding.
Maybe I should have taken profit. I don't know though.
I mean, it went up 8 pips. It's got a better chance of going up 2 than coming back 8.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I don't think I did the wrong thing.
No.
I moved stop to break even, so
Yeah.
that's one of those trades.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm out as well.
Welcome home. I didn't get a
Welcome home.
Oh man.
EJ's doing.
Yeah, I just feel like I was just playing with the stop loss. I moved it to like 220. I moved it to like 200 and 195. I was like, I'm giving up.
Yeah, EJ's kind of digging around too. It pulled back real hard.
To me, it makes like no sense that it didn't go up to that resistance because we broke hourly high, we broke 4-hour high, 30-minute high, 15-minute high.
Yeah, Asian Sessions been dicking around real bad.
It's all good, boys.
Nice trade, Tommy. Paul, sorry you hit break even. I took profits as soon as I was happy with profits, so thank you.
As long as you guys took profits.
Yeah, very good.
I'm just getting shit on all week.
I I would have took profit if I had a bigger lot size.
I agree, 110%.
You know, because like I'm used like since I'm still learning, I have like 0.05. So you know what I mean? Like I'm trying to get all the tips I can give if you got players 0.5. But maybe if I had like a bigger lot size, then I'd be much more happier.
I need patience. Okay. I need to work on my patience. Interesting. How long have we been sitting here? 115 minutes. 2 hours. Yeah. I think my patience is fine. Why would I buy over here?
Why the pullback? It's a good question.
Yeah, quite the pullback is right.
Okay, I'm gonna head out for today.
Yep, see you later.
Friend, have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Take care, man.
Alright, bro. So what do we learn here, boys?
Yeah, even in the London
Asian session sucks dick. It has lately. This whole week and Thursday last week. It was just garbage.
I feel
like the other thing is like watch it go all the way back to like 130, 500.
Yeah, I'm gonna put I might put something above here.
I honestly think it will.
Yeah, even in the in the New York session this morning, like the New York, the GJ trade was like really quick. I think I caught like 5, and then he went all the way back up.
I was able to catch 20 on this one. Then my runner got break even.
Yeah, but then the gold trades were like really good. I mean I kept getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out. I think I caught like 25 or 30 pips.
Yeah, see, gold I caught some, but I don't know.
The GJ trade was like quick. It was quick and sneaky too. Like, you know, I mean, I just couldn't tell what was happening.
Yeah, I got in and out with that one too. But gold, I don't know, man. That joke had me scared.
No,
GJ was real nice in New York session. I slept through the session, but when I looked at it, it looked really good. And the spreads, I glanced at the spreads. Those looked good too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll see how this 15-minute closes, because we're coming into the 4-hour close now too. So maybe we're not going to get back up to that high. Maybe we are.
GJ will skyrocket soon.
I was just reading that.
Strong bears, sir.
Yep.
So is it up or is it down?
Well, whichever way it goes is the way he said it was going to go. Yeah, I mean, I got the best prediction is that GJ is for sure possibly going to go up or for sure possibly going to go down. You definitely cannot lose with that analysis.
Wow.
Yeah.
I needed that one a year ago.
Oh, man.
You know what's crazy is this GJ trade we took. Perfect execution. We take then 10 out of 10 times. And it didn't go as planned. But then you have that 40 pip candle that had nothing to go off.
Mm-hmm.
It was impulsive.
And just boom.
Yep. Going against trend. Well, the trend depends on how you trade, buddy. If you're looking at weekly, monthly, you're probably not scalping 10 pips. If you are, that's way too much information. You don't need to know what the monthly's doing to scalp 10 pips.
Yes, I agree.
But that's just my opinion.
Thank fuck we got out of this. Look at it.
Mm-hmm, yeah. I feel like EJ's coming close to...
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's see where it's EJ's at. Yeah, EJ's coming down too.
Did you get out of EJ?
I got one position out, yeah. I closed one of the positions at like 1.5 pips. And then this one, I already entered at half risk for both positions combined. And then I closed one. So this one's only running at like a quarter of normal risk. So It looks like it's gonna hit stop, but it hasn't yet. So
Damn, that's oh, never mind.
yeah, we closed back below here too.
Yep. I think we just gotta wait for the 1 hour to be done pulling back before it really goes up.
Yeah. I don't know whose spread is 7, but my spread's not 7.
Yeah, mine's in 7. It's probably 7 now. But
Yeah.
not during the time we did it.
Mm-hmm.
It's all good, my friend. We learn. So before this coronavirus thing went down, was the spreads like this or?
This happened after daytime savings. Honestly, back when Asian was at 6:30, the spreads would be normal.
Oh, okay. So the time change thing?
Possibly. I'm not behind the scenes. What I'm saying.
Yeah. I got you. I wasn't sure if that had to do with anything. That's why I'm still new, so. Yeah.
Oh, so that was the new hourly open then. Or no, that would have been this one right here. So that's the new 30. That 30 closed. So this is the new 30. Okay. Yeah, thanks. I guess I don't know who else I'd be, but appreciate you coming.
I mean, the trade setup was perfect. It's just
because this would have been down here, would have been good on a new high. I don't know which one I would have liked, but I did like it once it broke above here. But the spreads were too high at that time.
Yeah.
He's that funny.
The spreads are good right now though, so that's good. I think we'll stay on a little longer tonight. Cause
you mentioned about testing out some kind of strategy of some sort. I don't know what it was. I don't know. I think that's what you said, Paul. I can't remember what you were talking about.
oh, we're just having bigger stops for the Asian session while all this crap's going on.
Oh
Yeah.
The smaller lot size though, I guess.
Yeah, you'd have bigger stops with smaller lots. Yep. But just giving it more room to breathe because it has been just dicking around a lot. But we'll see how the next couple of days go. If the next couple of days are still just kind of messy, and not really respecting the new highs or new lows, then might have to find a different approach for Asian session. Because I mean, even coming up, we got a high here, now we got a low, and now we got a higher low, higher high, but then a lower low and a higher high, then a higher high and no lower low yet. So like none of this really respected anything.
Yeah.
So hopefully everything will come back to normal soon.
Should. We'll see.
I think it will eventually. Once we're over crisis mode. What up, Bert?
Paul's about to slay this GJ Dragon.
Well, the moves have all been happening literally 30 minutes after we end the stream, so thinking we'll just hang out a little longer and just see how the open of the next 4 hour goes and see what happens. I've never traded futures, so I don't know.
Or, sir, if the price goes above the bearish candle, will you look for another
I'm sick
buy?
of this fucking clown.
Does he mean it goes back to like the 130, 200, 230?
I feel like don't touch the charts, just look. Because we could see a retest of 129 at 870 here.
Yeah, it could come back to that zone and then go up. We'll run to the bathroom real quick.
Or retest the lows of the day.
I mean, if it goes that low,
I feel like it's going to continue down.
yeah, you may
Well, I'm in
continue
gold.
down.
I'm in gold buys. I'm just like send a chart.
Gold buys?
Yeah, man.
I've been
Easy.
messing gold all day. I'm not sure if I have the luck.
Yeah, that's a good gold buy here. What's your target? 142.70?
Nah, I've got one. It might be actually.
41.250?
Yeah, around 143, and then second target 149.5.
You look at you got it on the 5-minute chart?
15.
Nah, 15. So I'll send a chart and then we can talk about it.
Yes, sir.
You mean gold buys or gold sales?
Buys.
Buys, man, look at it.
Come on, man, just look at it. You know?
Well, it's
Wait
true.
for the chart to be sent.
Yeah.
To me, you got lower lows, lower highs on the 15.
Where do you see the chart?
I'm
I've
just
not sent
on
it yet.
my own
Oh,
trading
okay.
view. Just go into the 15 minutes. I've got some levels marked out. I just got a massive resistance area between 1545 to 1550.
And
I get that, but I mean, it's gold. I mean, I didn't see it going over the 155.50 or 553.
I agree.
You see what I mean?
But if you're scalping this, I think I'm onto what Ash is onto.
You mean like from the 153 something to probably like 145? No, 1545 or something, right?
Yeah.
Before it comes to area. Yeah.
You need to, like, say, just bear in mind, obviously, everything's moving so fast at the moment, so when you're looking at the chart, it just looks like normal, but everything's just moving ridiculous, so it's,
Or your target.
lot size and everything. Lot size is just
Or-
needs to be, like, so much smaller now. Yeah, okay.
Oh no, heavy rejection on the 15. We'll see
I'm
how
thinking,
it
yeah, if
goes.
it breaks above this 15, might give it one more shot. Depending on how this one closes. If this one closes massive, then I'll just let it go. But if we can get a decent close with a decent stop loss, give the same trade we took yesterday and the one we always take a shot, I think that'll work out. Yeah, EJ's starting to pull up now as well. So yeah, if this can close like that and not shoot up like crazy, I think we can have a shot. What chart is this?
Gold.
I
Okay,
think he's looking at gold buys here.
if it's GU, I'm not pulling it up. Support. Broke above mini resistance on 5 minute.
And the 2 blue lines are the profit targets.
Target 1, target 2. Looks good to me.
That's pretty fair.
I like it. Good analysis. Simple.
And I see the 1543. I see it, but the 1549.
I think it's.
That's just a runner. It's just a runner.
It's a runner. Okay.
Yeah. So just take your little crumbs, and then if it starts to go bearish on like the 15, I'll just come out.
Can you guys hear the drilling? I'm sorry. I'm myself.
I hear a little bit now.
Yeah, fucking assholes.
I can't.
Not the C word, thanks, Ash.
You guys say it all the time.
I mean, it is in our vocabulary here. But I don't think over there.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Yeah, I think that gold buy is pretty good.
This thing's playing some decent music tonight.
Uh-oh. Gold is dropping down.
Ash has got his stop loss at a very good side.
Yeah. So I don't mind if it goes down.
Mine was.
Yeah, but the other thing is like it dumps and then it could just come right back up.
Yeah, it could do. Could not.
It could go sideways. It could start to go left and then up to the left.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Bless you.
Bless
That was my dog.
Yeah.
Thank
That
you.
was a dog?
Yeah, I swear.
Dogs also deserve to be blessed.
Damn right. Damn, we would have had 10 on that GJ one if it wasn't for a 3 pips once it pushed up. So yeah, if this next 15 gets above this one, I'm gonna give GJ one more shot.
I heard American residents were getting $1,000. Is that true?
I've seen that on the news too.
If you make $65,000 or under
Make 65,000 or under.
a year,
$1,000, fuck. Give me $1,000.
This thing might try to close back above here.
And I'm out.
Stopped out. Fuck.
It just
You
can't.
didn't
It
get
just dropped
stopped
out of
out, did you?
nowhere.
You closed before.
on gold, I was looking at the higher time frame. It looks like you've run up like so, like up, that I couldn't see it going like past like the 1550.
Damn,
But it may
GJ.
just be coming down and then setting up for like another crazy move tomorrow.
Yeah, I think GJ's gonna keep heading up.
Someone in the chat sent a chart, Paul. Is it opening on yours?
The chart? I didn't get it. I didn't see a chart.
Just on the YouTube chat. It's not opening for me. I don't know.
Yeah, that's why I don't want kids.
What? Come on, man.
Nah, man, that would stress
That's
me
why,
out.
just because of a bit of crying?
Or just a bit of crying. Nah, man, that's not my
I'm
way.
just crying because Dad's got to bring in the bread. Forex not been. These last few days, I've been
Yeah,
struggling.
maybe I'm out of gold. Yeah, I'm out of gold. I'm not in it anymore. Yeah. Oh well, I'm just gonna chillax for today now, and then come back tomorrow. Can't be asked for it. I had a good day yesterday.
Yeah, I got smashed yesterday. Didn't take. I think I took 2 hours.
Really?
Did you try to get in?
No, I got in when it got. It made the high and then it came back down, so I got in.
Yeah,
I entered like right
it
here,
didn't break the.
but spread
It didn't
put
break
me
the
in up
previous
here.
bearish candle.
Yeah, it didn't break it, but it's wicking back pretty damn hard.
What the fuck? It's just every time you take a trade, this thing wants to wick 50, 60 pips.
Yeah, it's the same thing as yesterday. That's why I decided to just wait this time. Wait for it to break.
Yeah, but it made the high, and it happened way too quick. So then once it pulled back, I got a little better entry, but it still put me in up here. Because yeah, spread's at 3 right now, so. Yeah, if this hits, that's going to kind of suck.
Do we use fibs? No, we don't.
Nope, I don't use.
J-Will
I don't
clips?
use any fibs. Really? Wow. Okay.
You hit
Come
it?
on, Paul.
Not
You're
yet. No.
luckier.
Okay.
It almost went lower,
Yes.
but like, Jesus. If it wicks lower and goes up, I'm probably gonna. We'll think about not even trading Asian, because that'll be at least till this nonsense is over.
But
Yeah,
this is gonna
that'd be
take a couple. What you gonna do? This is gonna take a couple months though. You know what I mean?
What about instead of doing something like this, maybe simulation?
Yeah.
No, I'll probably
It's
keep
better
trading
than
it.
looking
It's
at charts
just.
and spreads being high and everyone getting not stressed out, but like frustrated with it all.
No, I'll probably keep trading it, to be honest. I like doing it, but it's just getting a little ridiculous.
Yeah. J-Will clips. I think I agree with you here. I wouldn't be looking for anything just yet.
Yeah, my hourly flipped all the way bullish. Now it's coming back. 4 hours, still bullish for now.
Maybe he's
And
creating that bottom wick.
yep, no, it's taking me out, so that's it. That's fucking stupid. Oh well. We tried. Yep, look at that. Cool. 4 hour back bearish? No. Well.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah,
pretty sure around
That's
the 10 o'clock candle.
It doesn't make no sense.
Yeah,
It does. If you look at it on hourly, the hourly's still pulling back. Yeah, we forgot to flip bullish.
I mean, that was a massive hourly candle, but.
Yeah, no, it's definitely still bullish. It's just on that 1 hour, it's a pullback. Once that one closes, I'm pretty sure the next will be bullish.
Watch it come down here and then go back up like yesterday.
1000%.
That's so shitty.
Yeah, yesterday after the stream ended, I just sat there and waited around around 9, 10 o'clock. I started pushing up.
Oh, someone in the Zoom chat said they use Brave browser too. I agree. There's no pop-ups. It's good.
You get paid in Bitcoin, right?
Basic attention tokens. So it's
Yeah, that's
BAT.
right. Bat tokens. Yeah.
Yeah. But just the concept of Brave as a browser, I think, is what everyone wants in a browser.
And how long you been using it again?
I've probably been using it 3 months. 2 or 3 months. Oh, 3 months, yeah. I mean, the tokens are pretty, you don't get many, but just in terms of pop-ups and encryption, it's pretty good.
That's because basic attention tokens aren't worth that much right now. But I believe that once the price of it go up, you're gonna be glad you did it. You know what I mean? It's like one Bitcoin back in the day was like what, $1 or something like that. People ain't gonna buy that.
Yeah.
I wish they did.
I don't know. For me, it's a good browser regardless. I'll use it over Chrome, and the tokens are just an extra. I did it for the tokens, but I've been doing it for 3 months now, and I've only got about 20 of the things.
But the thing is, what was basic attention token worth before all this?
Yeah, good question.
That's the question you have to ask, because it might be $2 now because of this, but if it was worth more than that, then it's worth it. Let me look it up. Because I've seen it a long time ago, but
Basic attention token. I mean, it's at its all-time low basically. But if it does get to its all-time high, it is $1. At the moment, it's at 11 cents or 12 cents.
That's all-time high was 89 cents.
Yeah.
And you said, now how many tokens you got? You said you got?
At the moment, it's given me 20 in 3 months. 20 tokens in 3 months.
That's not bad.
So how do you earn tokens?
It tailors ads specifically like for you. The more, to be honest, I don't know how it works that well, but you can pick how many ads you want to see. You can also contribute to creators. So that's the idea behind the Brave browser is that as an individual watching content or reviewing content, you can tip people basic attention tokens, so they don't have to rely on adverts and all that nonsense.
Yeah, 4 hours still bullish on MT4. Really? Come on, man.
It's somebody. Every time.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, that's right. It's all good, bro. At least you muted your mic, though. You know what I mean?
Was that your ringtone? What was that?
Someone in the chat, YouTube chat, just put out a pretty good trade. J Will Clips, a sell for EJ. 15 minutes, like it's breaking breaking a low.
Yeah, I haven't even checked back on EJ.
To the gym for?
Huh?
How long have you been gymming for?
About 4 years. Can't even go right now because of this stupid fucking virus. I should say parentheses virus. Or quotations. Everyone's freaking out about nothing. Enter on retest. Yeah, it could. It's gonna hit one of those levels. Yeah, the 4-hour close is really good. It's gonna be important in terms of which way we go. So this candle here on MT4, this is a little tiny doji body and it's bearish with a bearish wick. So if this 4-hour close is bullish, we're probably gonna get a nice move to the upside. Yeah, it's probably gonna come down a little more and then go up.
Have you guys had any girl traders, like, trade with the group?
Yeah, we had one join last week.
Mm.
Yeah, I met a girl last week. There's options.
I don't know if I'd want my girlfriend. Actually, we won't get into it.
Why not? Let's get into it. You have my attention.
No, it's all good.
Yeah.
I feel like that's stress on my relationship.
Yeah, have you guys checked the Zoom chat?
No.
Not you, Paul, not you. Nah, it's alright.
Wait, is there some beef going on in the YouTube chat right now?
I looked actually.
You beef? YouTube beef.
Oh, star.
Yeah, no, I'm scared of YouTube chats and stuff, man. Like comment sections. Like I just don't go near it and scare me.
Yep. Yeah, well, Frankie clearly didn't want to be here, so I figured I'd do him a favor and just ban him from the chat, so he doesn't have to come here and, you know, feel better than everyone. I mean, we wouldn't want him to feel like that.
He probably took the fucking trade and lost.
No, he's too smart for that. He knows what's gonna happen before it happened. So he definitely was not in the trade because he's too good.
He has more money than Warren Buffett.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, I'm a troll, man. I gotta stop trolling.
Mate, Frankie, Paul literally just entered an EJ trade and didn't tell anyone, just to keep him safe because he knows that fucking it needs experience. And you're coming here saying people are getting sucked in. It's ridiculous.
Yep. Yeah. People can have different opinions. That's not the issue. The issue is he has a poor attitude. So that tells me, first off, he's not a good trader because of his attitude. Because if he had a good attitude, he'd probably be a good trader. But I guarantee you, with just the way he was talking in the chat, if he loses a trade, he probably breaks his monitor and has to go buy a new one. But we're gonna stop wasting time on that.
You about to make another trade in GJ, or
I'm gonna see how the 4-hour closes and then go from there.
how'd your EJ one turned out?
I closed one at like 1 pip and then the other one at Gamba stop loss.
Okay.
But
right
like I
now,
said, it was
EJ got a pretty good setup for the sell. It just broke out of a really good zone.
EJ previous 4-hour. Yeah, it's bearish too. That'd be nice. Nice sell. GJ is looking like it could go up now.
The guy, what's his name, J Will, called out the sell. I wasn't even paying attention to EJ.
Oh yeah, that does look good on the 15 and the 30.
Yep, 30-minute just closed bearish.
Mm-hmm.
Nice break with a wick at the top.
Say he got in at 18, 306.
Previous 4 hour bearish.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, 18306. What the hell?
Oh, EJ, my bad.
Yeah, EJ.
No, I'm saying he did. He did.
Oh,
He got in at the top basically.
yeah.
Oh wow.
That's a
Mark.
pretty solid entry. What the fuck?
Nah, he good. He can feed the family for a month now. Yeah.
That's if you can buy anything at the store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, you don't have that problem over here. Plus, they got these things called bum guns. They're great.
Y'all still got food in the store over there?
Oh yeah, we
Yeah,
got.
man, we got food everywhere, mate. I go out for every meal. It's like $1.
Actually, even the 1 hour, 1 hour, all time frames were good on EJ. 1 hour, 30 minute, and 15 for the sell.
TJ, where we're going with this? If it decides to load my chart.
Jay, well, you say y'all silly.
Well,
Yeah,
I'm having the exact same problem you're having. My charts are taking forever to load when I click.
I'm just a natural troll, man.
MB, I'll try and find you on the beach. I'll walk and look for a crazy shirt. I'll find you.
The 4 hour didn't close on my MT4.
Some food, but toilet paper gone. Just use your dog, bro. Nah, I seen a meme on that.
Yeah, 4 hours not closed on my broker yet. That's weird.
Damn, that's a long time.
EJ trade is playing out perfectly right now. Already broke the low.
Yeah, EJ looks good.
Yeah. Damn, even straight too. That's a long ride down too.
Mm-hmm. How many more we got? Still another 20.
Mm-hmm.
Are you in this one?
Nope.
I'm not either. I'm trying to. My goal is 2 trades per session. I'm trying to do better.
It's a good goal.
But
I got in when it broke the previous 15 minutes, but it's not a great entry.
yeah, it's kind of at the low here, so it'd probably be better if it came up and then you got it in as a new low. But might just keep dumping. Yeah, that's so weird. This 4 hour closed here, but I don't know why my broker's 4 hour didn't close yet.
Okay, right, guys. I'm gonna go get some breakfast. See you guys later.
Take
See you
care,
tomorrow.
Ashy.
Yep.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, man.
He said EU is moving nice.
Yes, sir.
Let me check a look.
You or EJ?
He said EU.
Oh.
What's my thing closed? Oh, here it is. Damn.
There we go.
I need to
Stop
check.
share and profit.
Yep.
Moving.
There
Are you
go.
in EU?
No.
Nah, EJ. When that I was watching GJ, but when that guy called it in the YouTube chat, switched over.
You try to tell a brother how to play.
Nah, it was a perfect setup. Like 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, everything.
I caught EU yesterday before that massive drop. Caught maybe 100 pips.
Wow, she's already a top pick.
GJ is dumping too. Wow.
Yeah, GJ. This is that fib level here we were talking about before, and that support level. We'll see if it melts down through it.
Damn, boy. I'm glad I'm learning how to do this stuff, though.
You're in the right place, I think.
Yeah.
9 o'clock, everything started moving.
Yeah, I think tomorrow we'll try starting an hour later and see how that works.
Mm. Yeah, I'm not trading, I'm done for the day. Fuck this shit.
Yeah, I'm trying to get better at doing that, too.
Well, Clips, you should send your charts in, man, so we can have a look at what you're looking at.
I think GJ will bounce back.
Like I said, man, it could retest the lows of today. I don't even know.
What time do you all start trading live? What time do you start? 6, right? 6:30? 6? Oh, I forgot y'all in different time zones.
I think Paul has it on his banner, doesn't he? On his YouTube banner?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think he changed it, though, for the time change.
It'll be 6. It'll be... I think we're going to do like 6:30. We're going to do 6:30. 6:30 now.
I'm new at sending charts.
That's fine, man.
Oh,
You
that
know how
little
to, or
EJ
you-
just kicked in on my EJ trade. I didn't put in a stop loss and it just popped in.
You talking about the expert advisor thing?
Yeah.
Oh, so you good then?
Yeah, no, the expert advisor. If you don't put a stop loss yourself, like I said, we'll just move it in the profit wherever you want. But because the spreads are so crazy right now, I would do like a 20 pip before it moves in or something. Or 15, either way.
9 p.m. where you are. Oh, fuck. I'm a full day in front of you.
Oh yeah. You so you from the East Coast? Yeah, I'm from South Carolina, so it's not in there too.
No, I'm East Coast too. I'm Florida. 9:09 here.
9:09 p.m. Tuesday.
Yeah, 9 to Tuesday.
What part of Florida are you from?
I'm in Fort Lauderdale.
Oh wow, we're close.
Where are you at?
Miami. Miami Lakes.
Oh shit, I drive through it all the time. My boy used to live over here actually.
Oh bro, get my number, bro. We can link up sometime.
1000%. Yeah, you know, it's like a fire station or something like that, where all the cows are at.
Hey, just don't forget, no more than 10 people. Y'all got the corona thing going on.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Funny though, I was showing something that like in Florida, people like Clearwater or somewhere, like people are at the beach, like hundreds and hundreds of people at the beach just living their best life.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah,
No worries. in the house
What's
like
good?
days.
I'm sitting in the most isolated city in the world. Cannot believe it.
Got one position running on EJ, so we'll see where that goes.
I closed mine at 15. It can get all the way to, I believe, at least 800.
Yeah, usually like if price is right, it's my take profit, but it keeps like inching there and doesn't tap it, I just close that shit out, man. Like I was like,
Get all you can get.
Yeah. Take profit. Yeah, man. Like I hate when it taps and you just know it's about to just pop back up. So like you see how like the current candle is just sitting right there. I swear my take profits are right at the bottom of that wick, and just didn't touch it. The spread, yeah, that's what it is.
Google reckons it will take me 22 hours and 16 minutes flight to Florida.
It's not bad.
Just let me know the link up a day before, I guess.
Oh.
You gotta remember it's 22 hours, and then you gotta add in a time difference too. So what is it, 13 hours, I believe? You in Australia,
12 hours between me and you. Yeah, it's 9:09 a.m. or 9:11 a.m.
Yeah, everyone's from Miami apparently.
Hey, Paul, when are you supposed to come to Florida?
Huh?
When are you supposed to come to Florida?
It's supposed to be April 18th, but
right after my birthday.
We don't know if we're gonna be able to now.
Hey, make sure you take some hand sanitizer on the plane, bro.
If we can even get on the plane.
Oh yeah, I don't think you can get on the plane.
I think by that time you guys should be fine, honestly.
I hope so.
April, that's like tomorrow, right?
It's like a month away.
Yeah, but it'll take forever.
I'm out of EJ. It's not coming down fast enough. Yeah, I took.
GJ's starting to push.
Yep, as soon as I get out.
You boys still taking trades?
No, I think that's it. I don't think there's gonna be anything. I think starting later is gonna be better because then we're not waiting for 2 hours to see something.
Yeah, right now 9 o'clock is the move.
Mm-hmm.
What time are you thinking? 7:30?
Yeah, I'm thinking like 6:45, 7 o'clock, Central Time.
Yeah, spreads look good too.
They look better.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's make this money.
Sheesh. Jay will make him profit.
Yeah. This was another good session, guys. Win or lose, just taking these trades together is
fun.
Great experience, yeah.
Yeah. Win as a team, lose as a team. It's not that bad.
It's a little annoying, but it's more fun to not do it alone for sure.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely after this with GJ, I'm not taking any sells, or not sells, any orders until it's like a candle in the opposite direction. Then it takes it out. Because even though this one broke, there wasn't like a bearish candle, I guess, to like confirm the continuation. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Is anybody in the chat or anybody under 18 years of age that's trading with us?
I have a disclaimer, so we should be good.
Adding a disclaimer, yeah.
Pretty sure that's
years
illegal, man. I don't think anyone's gonna
Let's
admit
say
to that.
18.
What
Hang
is
on, man. I'm only 22, so.
Yeah, I'm 20. I'm turning 23.
That's not bad.
Excited.
Turning 22, nice.
No, turning 23. 22.
No one likes you when you're 23.
See, I'm 27. I'm an old man.
Same as me.
Takes me a
That's
while
not
to
even
set up
bad.
my orders. That's why I had to click one quick trading.
Man.
I'm sitting at 29. I got you beat.
29, bro.
Yes, sir.
Oldest guy's 29.
Look like it.
Hey, you got you say you don't got Discord though, right?
See,
I mean,
Hayden's
I
18.
have the app, but I'm not in your group. That's what you mean.
You gotta get in the Discord or something, man.
No, what happened was I got in on Slack.
Mm-hmm. What about? Let me see. You got like Steam or something?
Nah, but I'm not gonna lie, everyone keeps mentioning that. I know it's like good online community, but
I think Paul is 25. I'm not sure.
Based off his
Oh, so you're saying at 21 years old you're 135?
Yep.
135 what? Pounds?
Yep.
135 pounds.
What's that? 80 kilos? No, less. 70.
That's like 67.
Hey, that's me now. Maybe less. Maybe I can become like Paul in 4 years.
I'm like 220 right now.
Y'all young, I'm 40.
Mashallah.
What's up, man?
100 kilos. All muscle.
Who said it was 40?
Somebody in the chat.
Jay Will, same guy that shouted out the EJ. EJ, so I wasn't
Check
even
out
looking
his
at that chart.
Instagram.
Yeah, I can't even say my age.
You can just lie, you know? 19, 20.
That was a long time ago.
Shit, time does fly.
Sir, I agree.
Since I've been out of school, time has just been ticking. How was the AUD news? Retail sales?
I'm not sure.
Surprising.
You out here in these streets.
If you boys want to watch a very educated individual on YouTube, his name is Greg Manarino.
How do you spell his last name?
MANARINO. I don't think. Yeah, he just watch his shit and you'll know what I mean. And take it with an open mind. Do your own research too, but I think he's onto something. And help share his information as well if you find him useful. Just because.
I can't find him. Do you mind putting his name in the Zoom chat?
I will send a link. He posts two times a day roughly. I've been watching his videos now for maybe 6 months. Put it in the Zoom chat, but I definitely reckon he's probably the smartest financial. Like, how do I explain it? He just knows the financial game better than anyone in the world, I reckon. It's crazy.
It's a pretty powerful skill.
It's honestly, Paul, I mean, he's called things that are just weeks before they're happening. And
Who you talking about?
the guy I linked in the chat, Greg Manarino. I definitely reckon he's one of the smartest individuals out there at the moment. Yeah.
Oh, that chat. Okay, I'm looking at the YouTube chat. All right.
Zoom chat, sorry, yeah.
I'm over here like, what guy you talking about?
Let's not forget to like the stream.
Yep.
Gotta give you a little like.
Oh, yeah. Let me press that button. Press that button.
All right, I'm gonna head out. Thanks, Paul. See you
Yep.
in New York.
Yes, sir.
See you, boys.
Oh, GJ's trying to make a move. Ooh.
I might make me a nice, good sandwich and play some Dota. Damn, EJ ain't trying to move no more.
No.
EJ's moving right now. He's gonna touch the 8.
Put in the YouTube chat. Can I post links? We'll try.
I won't let you post an actual link.
Oh, okay. I think I pressed it and posted it. I don't know if it works. Sorry, boys. Just type in. Yeah, what I'll do is.
I'm gonna subscribe to that dude channel and see what happens. The guy you talking about.
Oh, it did let you post a link. That's weird.
Maybe because I'm not. Seriously, watch his stuff and take it seriously because I feel like, yeah, everybody in the chat should be watching him. To your
Maybe
friends,
it's because
your
it's
mums.
another YouTube link.
Possibly.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out.
Watch all of his videos. He called crude oil being overvalued for months. For months. I learned a lot from him.
I think the Saudi and Russia issues, once they get resolved, the oil will come back.
Well, if you watch his second most recent video, I haven't watched his most recent one, but he talks about. You'll see. I don't want to talk about it on stream just because it's pretty controversial and this and that. I don't want to say things like that. Just go have a look for yourself.
The most important blog I have ever done. No.
That's yeah. I think that's the video I watched this morning, or the Robin Hood of Wall Street. The most important. Yeah, that's the one. That video there actually, everything he's been saying for the last few years, he just condenses it into one video almost. It's a good.
Man, I'm ready to see what this is Half-Life game talking about, man.
Come again?
Half-Life? Or was that before your time or something?
Bitcoin at 5,400. Cha-ching. And then it's gonna dump again.
I think that's me done for the day, boys. Hopefully, if you're going in any trades, good luck. And then we'll go watch a few of his videos and we'll talk tomorrow.
Yep. See you tomorrow, bro.
See you
Alright,
guys.
Let's see tomorrow.
Hi guys. Yeah, stay healthy. See you tomorrow. If you're in New York, I'll be in there.
Yep. I'm gonna call it a night.
Yeah, I'm about to get off, play some Dota.